hayibo leyo moto ibona nesicathulo yini ndenza amaqhwa hayibo wezani
ikhombo lalela
ikhombo hayibo umlazo le moto le hayibo kunentombi mabe siyavele laba ngikuthonje la ekhawasha sibeni awutholakala oh yeah, understand ayingcono right sifuna intombi ifuna njalo inayo antisakudinga nathi kanjani isikhathi manje bangane izinto engaphali imali ngifuna into ephali imali sabe umsebenzi hayi unoba uyacabanga mfana ndoda ufake lapha sunlight liquid ufake sunlight liquid la epaketeni
ya ngisebenzisa
uzoboshwa mfana washa imoto nje nge-sunlight liquid uyadlala uzoboshwa straight uzowubulala lo pende straight uzowubulala thini ngasheshe nisule le pholo azi mingasuli uyagodola ngathi ningasheshe nisule bafowethu yabo nje ngoba iyagodola emihlelo yamanzi kanjena ngiyayizwela leyo moto mfowethu hey manje ngathi ungasheshe uyisule mfowethu ngoba iyagodola hey
labafana bestance nalaba bomdlalo wamanzi babasuke bakhipha icapha namasondo nezihlalo kuthiwa lento le ibizwa undercarriage nisuke encourage ngoba already ni discouraged khona umuntu nje ophilile kahle nje ekhanda ongathi mawasha imoto akhipha amasondo aphinde akhiphe nezihlalo bangene naphansi kwemoto ikephi carriage ayicha kodwa niyadinga yinje ngempela lento niyenzayo nikhipha amasondo nikhiphe nezihlalo niphinde nje nifaka abo carvas ngaphansi kwemoto acha kodwa niyadinga bafana bami ni discourage nje ayikho indaba yenu
azi ukuthi imoto iwashwa ngeyini sunlight liquid hayi mina ngiwasha imoto nge-sunlight liquid angikwazi ukubanga nefro yami ngensipho yokwasha izitsha mina sengibhizi ngithatha insipho yayo sengiwasha imoto inensipho yayo quality ine-quality yayo insipho yakho nithothi uspenda 200 or 300 uyangunderstand then imoto yakho izoba nje but wena mobhizi wena ubanga nomfazi
this confidence you didn't know you had even when you're sharing that drive you feel good no man there should be someone now there also
the passenger
yeah man uyezwa ukuthi hayi man so it does make you even when I come to you now I'm like yeah I think and you know because confidence is an energy thing uzobona ukuthi yabona umuntu akadlali manje uyayifuna le bhanganoyi yabona mase ngishaya le pholo usengifuna le bhanganoyi
my brother
so yeah, it's a confidence booster picking
that call and saying yo please come outside
when you're waiting there
you know when you pull up at your girl's hood and they approve there hey zabona